Hi guys, I wanted to make a quick video about this post. And so this guy Pete Kumin, he was talking about basically how Gmail Assistant sucks at writing emails because they need to let the user edit the system prompt. And it's extensive, I skimmed a little bit, but we made a post about how Antispace allows users from day one to do this, and we received a ton of requests about how does it work and how users can set it up. So I wanted to make a quick video about that. Okay, so this is my Antispace, right? I did set up my characters, and then this is my HUD dashboard workspace. I think I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see everything. Okay. When you go to your character page, right? So this is my AI assistant. I chose him specifically, and my assistant is very advanced because I've been upgrading it with so many tools. For example, you can see it has its own certain achievements that it's been doing things for me. It has its own memory, so it has conscious memory. As you can see, this is my memory. It kind of stores information about me. I'm a coder, gamer, antisocial, occupation is engineer, perfect day, stay at home. So this is self-editing memory, meaning it will talk to me and then, or take actions with me, do things my way, and then it will learn as it interacts with me and then save it to this memory. Also, the same way as my assistant, which is Evil Modi. So it'll also save things to itself when I say, hey, I don't like the way you're talking about this. For example, answer it in short responses because I told it to. But you can also edit it in manually here, however you want. But the interesting thing is that this memory is also used when it's writing emails for me, replying to emails for me. But what we call it basically invisible AI, even though it's AI native, when it's writing an email, reading an email, it'll read the previous sent emails that I sent out and then improve the responses based on how I write emails. And we also have mail preferences, meaning as you can see here, this is my preferences for email. So it says Audi likes emails that include swear words. So for this demo purposes, I wanted to make it very specific. So everything that I want my agent to remember when it does everything related to mail comes here. But I have a surprise for you. So this is not just used when it's writing an email, it's also used in other things, interesting things as well. So let's try it out. I'm gonna say, write an email to Chingun about new AIOS launch and how we can prep for bounty. Okay, and it's also automatic. I don't have to say specify mail, whatever it is. It'll also find Chingun's email address, so I don't have to think about all those things. I can just put it down. So it says, hey Chingun, AIOS drops on April 22nd. I didn't say anything about that, but if you remember, it's in my conscious memory because I said AIOS is launching on April 22nd, and it included that in the email. So it says time to gear up for the bounty. Let's catch the bugs before they do. No fuck ups this time, alright? Okay, so that's because I said in my mail memory here, Artie likes emails that include swear words. Funny. Also, when it read my email, it found Chingun's email address. And also when it reads my previous emails, it knows that I like to start emails with hey, ends it with Artie. Also, you can include that in the memory you have. So all this memory is self-editable. So I'm gonna show that to you. So let's say I'm on calendar or whatever, what page I am on, right? From wherever, I can say, hey, I actually prefer emails that are longer now. So remember that. Technically, you don't even have to say remember. I'm being on the kind of safe sites to make the demo even better. Okay, so it says noted, you're officially long email person now, no more minimalist nonsense. It even asks me want me to rewrite the Chingun's email, but longer and dramatic. I would say yes. And yeah, this is basically also reading my previous emails too. Okay, made it longer. Awesome. But the thing is, like I said, you can edit your mail memory however you want from the characters. And if you give it a specific information about who you are in your own memory or the AIOS memory, it'll also remember that. Same with conscious memory. Okay, the last surprise that I have is actually very interesting. Let's here include a category of emails. Okay, let's say junk, need reply, boring, don't open. Okay, so basically these are the 3 emails that I care about. Okay, let's save it. Let's go to the home page and then we'll refresh. Oh, I don't even need to refresh the page. My mail widget categorized the email for me. So this is day by day. So what I do mostly with Antispace is that I'll be coding on my main monitor and my Antispace will be on the left side. So I don't even need to keep opening emails or events because I can see what I have for the day from all my accounts here and also all my emails for the day. So it'll just categorize it, put it into the format for me so I can just open it and see if it's worth it or not worth it and then categorize it already. That's the short version of Antispace. There's so much cool stuff inside. One last thing I don't want to forget is the community page, because I saw in the post that he was talking about available tools like label email, archive email. So if you're wondering what kind of email actions are available in Antispace, this is where you can also check it out. So you can analyze emails ROI. If you're reading someone's email and you're like wondering how much time I spend on this email, then it'll analyze it for you. You can block emails. You can just tell her, block this email, I don't want it. Reply to an email. So all the mail related actions are visible here, and you can even see what actions are trending this week or all-time popular, just for fun, because you want to see also what other people are doing with Antispace. So have fun and let us know. We're launching our AIOS apps. We have actually launched it in a private hackathon. It was awesome, but we're going to be releasing a public bounty list very soon. Let us know any comments, and happy to talk to you guys actually. Yeah. Bye.